It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, power tilting steering column, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern mid-sized luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and a wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,